Hi, there are two parts to today's reading assignment. So this first part involves this reading passage over here, and all we're going to do with it is we're going to highlight similarities and the clue words for that, and highlight differences in those clue words too. On this Venn diagram, what you're going to do is you're going to pick two different types of vehicles like trains, buses, cars, or boats, and you're going to brainstorm how they're alike and different. And you're just going to make a Venn diagram on those topics. So this and this are related, but they're separate. You are not making a Venn diagram of the information you learn in this. You are not doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by going ahead and labeling. I'm gonna go ahead and do similarities in pink and differences in orange. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and just read it first, and then I'm gonna go over some of the similarities and differences. I'm not gonna point out everything. I want you to go ahead and find some of them on your own. So I'm gonna just read first. Electric cars versus gasoline cars. Electric and gasoline cars are similar in many ways. People drive them on the same roads. Both types of cars carry passengers. Gasoline cars come in many different colors. Buyers of electric cars have their choices of colors too. Both types of cars need fuel to run. People with gasoline cars get fuel at gas stations. Drivers of electric cars use a cord. They plug their cars into an outlet at a charging station. Electric cars need to be recharged every 200 miles or even more often. This can take hours to do. Drivers of gasoline cars are used to driving 300 miles or more before refueling. Filling up a gas tank takes only a few minutes. Electric cars are quiet. They create less noise pollution than gasoline cars. Gasoline causes air pollution, which can harm the environment. Which type of car is better? People don't yet agree, but most agree that we need to find new ways to power all the vehicles on our nation's roads. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start looking at some similarities. So electric and gasoline cars are similar in many ways. Well, this word right here, similar, is a huge clue to us that they're going to tell us some similarities. So I'm going to circle that. So people drive them on the same roads. There's a similarity. And I know there's more there, but I'm going to leave those for you to find. And I'm going to go ahead and start looking for some differences. I'm going to go ahead and look in this paragraph, this last one. Electric cars are quiet. They create less noise pollution than gasoline cars. Oh, well, that's something that's different about them. So electric cars are quiet and less noise pollution. Okay, so what are some clue words that let us know that that's different? Well, one clue word that I'm seeing is less. So they're saying they make less noise pollution. So that's letting us know that clearly gasoline cars make more noise pollution. That just means they're louder. And this word here, than, so less than, it's a phrase. So that's part of that phrase, letting us know that there is a difference there. Now, there are many, many more similarities and differences in this passage, but I'm going to pause right here so that you can finish the rest of this on your own. And I'm going to move over to this part. So once again, the directions are to choose two different types of vehicles, such as trains, buses, cars, or boats, and to brainstorm how they are alike and different. You need 3 similarities and 3 differences for each. I'm going to go ahead and pick some things, and I'm going to come up with some similarities and differences. I'm not going to do the whole chart, and then you can go ahead and pick your own that you want to do and make your own Venn diagram. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick trains And I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, trains, and I'm gonna pick bikes. All right, so trains and bicycles. So what's some way, well, I'm gonna think about how they're the same first. Oh, let's see. They both use wheels. All right, what's different about trains? Let's see. Can take people and materials long distances. Don't really want to go a long distance on a bike. And bicycles, they allow people to get exercise while they transport themselves. So it's a form of transportation that allows you to also get exercise. So I have my two topics and I have a similarity and a difference for each of them. And then you're going to go ahead and make sure that when you pick your two topics that you have 3 similarities and 3 differences. So 3 things in each little area. Okay, so here's your job now. Finish this and finish this.